I sucked it up. I didn't get it. Yeah, you nodded out in it. What else is new? So, yeah, you did. You dumb bitch. Why'd you think you nodded out? But every time you come up and say, I didn't get to do mine, though. Dude, can they fucking open this fucking thing so we can get the fuck away from you? Huh? Oh, I guess you didn't hear me, hon. Oh, yeah. I told you I'm not coming with you.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Sorry. Okay? Yeah, I know. And you're just such a nice boy. Get the fuck away from me. Do not touch me, cunt. Eat shit, cunt. Die. I'd be too lucky, though.
What the fuck was that?